How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the DEWALT power cutters right here, and it's the model number DCPR320B. The B stands for there's no battery included, but it works with any of the 20 volt max battery products. So 20 volt max, you can see right there. We're gonna go ahead and pop this open. This is just an unboxing video so we can take a look at it and see what it comes with. So we'll go ahead and pop open this box and we'll grab the tool itself. So we do get obviously your instructions, which I'm sure you're going to read, probably not. And let's go ahead and take it right out of here in the bag. And we do have a protector piece on the actual cutter itself, so we can take that off. That's actually pretty handy to do. Even when you store it, you can store it with that protector piece, and it's not just a packaging piece, it's actually a protector piece, which is nice. And there we go. So there's the tool itself. So we have the nice sharp cutters right here, and you can replace these blades. So if it does get dull, then you can unscrew this and you can replace it with a new one. Looks like it does come with a light as well, little LED light right there. And then we do have this piece right here. This is your trigger button, so you can push this down and hold that. That's your safety switch, and then you're gonna press that to trigger away. 20 volt max battery system, so you can install your 20 volt max battery on the rear. You can see your 20 volt max, and then we have some look at the model number and all that good stuff down there, if you care to see. But overall, pretty solid feeling. We do have the little wrench piece right here that stores right in, so you can use that to, I guess you would unscrew your blade right here, so you can unscrew that if you want to and then tighten it back up. So that's handy that they include that. This is super tight in there, but yeah, pretty cool. There we go. We'll store that right back into there, and then you just install your 20 volt max battery and you're good to go. So really nice product. I know I've seen videos of it and it is excellent, and there'll be some videos of that coming up soon.